we have a ticket with the warranty that Megan showed us. But in this ticket, the customer is talking about a specific product, okay? So what Megan already showed us is that the intent will allow us to understand what the customer is talking about, so why he is reaching out. However, we have another functionality that is the entity detection, where we are able to understand more details around the ticket. For example, what the end user is mentioning. In this case, our team that handles with the iPhone 15 Plus, they told us that they wanted to improve the policy that they have around this because they noticed that they were having some replies on these tickets and they want to better understand how many replies they have and how they can improve the policy that they currently have to make sure that they are addressing the most common questions answered for the customers. So what we did was, first, we created this product line that is an entity. Okay, we did that on the admin center. The entities are available under the intelligence triage area, and you can create as much entities that you want. So in this case, we give the name of product line, and basically you can provide all the values that you want for this entity. In this case, one of the values that we added was the iPhone 15 Plus, and this information is extracted from the ticket and added to the ticket custom field. With that custom field, we are able to use that as conditions in the triggers. So that's what we will do. So we will pick up on the trigger that Megan created, okay, which is here. And basically, we will just add a condition. So the trigger that Megan created is looking into the intent, that is what is the warranty policy, and there's a confidence high. And what we will do is add a condition where we will look for the product line that we talked about, and we will choose the iPhone 15. So every time that we find this product line in our ticket, what we want to do is to assign this ticket, even that is closed and even that it was already replied to the customer, we want to assign this to this team. They are the experts that work on this product. And the goal is just for them to be notified and to be aware of all the tickets that are replied and all the questions that the customers can do regarding this. So we have here this team, and with this information, the team will be aware of everything. This way, they can improve the policy that they have for this product, and they don't waste any time searching for it.